Okay, so I've been working on it a little bit. We blew it off, got most of the dust off, started the tear down, got the carburetors out, fan shroud off, exhaust is off, engine bolts are undone on the back side, on the bottom, but not the top yet. So I have to go to an appointment, so I've got to button it up, but got all our pile of tools, a couple beers, some carburetors, and I'm bagging and tagging everything as I go. Got spark plug wires and a coil and a pulley and my carburetor air cleaners, alternator stand, some breather tubes, some fuel line, all my little exhaust nuts and things, some tin. The alternator that was new, still is new, hasn't been used. Doghouse and some tins. So we'll fix all that up, and I don't know, paint still kind of looks good, but we'll figure it out. Anyway, there we go. See you guys later.